Ever tried holding in a sneeze to be polite? Here's why that could be a big mistake. When you suppress a sneeze, the pressure inside your head and chest can spike, up to 20 times higher than normal. That built-up force has caused some people to rupture their throat, damage their eardrums, or even burst a blood vessel in their brain. Rare? Yes, but real. One man actually tore his windpipe, just from holding back a sneeze. The air had nowhere to go, so it ripped through soft tissue instead. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming, don't fight it. Turn away, cover your mouth, and let it out. Your body will thank you. This is White Coat Wisdom. Real facts, no fluff.